Clean living, a guide to a healthy lifestyle. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to talk about what it means to practice clean living. This phrase is not just about cleanliness, but a holistic approach to a healthier lifestyle. Let's dive into the essence of this expression and how it can be applied in your daily life. Clean living refers to making choices that are beneficial to our physical and mental health. It encompasses various aspects such as diet, exercise, and avoiding harmful substances. It's about creating a balance that promotes well-being. Clean living is built on several pillars: healthy diet, eating whole foods, staying hydrated, and reducing the intake of processed items are all part of a clean diet. Regular exercise, engaging in physical activities, whether it's a daily walk or a structured workout plan, contributes significantly to clean living. Mindfulness and stress reduction, practices like meditation, yoga, or simply taking time to unwind play a crucial role in maintaining mental health. Avoiding harmful substances. This includes staying away from tobacco, excessive alcohol, and other drugs. Adopting a clean living lifestyle can lead to numerous benefits such as increased energy levels, better health outcomes, and a more positive mindset. It's not just about adding years to your life, but life to your years. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of clean living and how it can be a transformative approach to a healthier you. Remember, clean living is a personal journey, and it's all about making choices that are right for you. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.